What is information management? Is the comprehensive process of systematically collecting, storing, organizing, securing, and utilizing the data information to achieve business objectives and provide value to an organization. Components to build an entity relationship diagram. Entities. This represents real-world objects or concepts. Entities like customer, product, order, they are typically depicted as rectangles. Attributes. These are the properties or characteristics of an entity. Attributes are often shown as ovals or within the entity box, such as customer's name or product's price. Relationship. These are the associations between two or more entities expressed as verbs like place or buys. They are usually shown as lines connecting the entities with specific symbols at the end to indicate cardinality. Cardinalities. This defines the number of instances of one entity that can be related to instances of another entity. Example, one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. About the ERD, I have been taught how to draw a diagram using chains and crossput method. I will be illustrating the two models of entity relationship diagram. Chains model. Entities are written on a rectangle, while attributes are written on an oval. Relationships are written on a diamond. The crossput model is only written in columns. This illustration represents the statement previously. One customer can place many orders. Each order belongs to one customer. In crossput, customer's primary key is customer's ID and its attributes is customer's name, customer's address, customer's age. And in the order's primary key is order ID, order detail, order date, delivery date. And each customer can place many orders, and each order belongs to one customer. What is data? A data is collection of raw facts, figures, numbers, or observation that can be processed, organized, and analyzed to reveal insights and inform decision making. There are two types of data. Structured includes spreadsheet and database. Unstructured includes audio, image, files, video.